What? Alright, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we are gonna do something super crafty, super fun, super easy to make. But for that, I am going to need somebody's help, not just one person, but two. Please say hello to my two favorite little people, Kyrie and Allie. Yay! Say hi guys.
Hi guys.
You like your bunny ears?
Yeah.
Do you? So what are we gonna do?
Slime.
We're gonna make slime, but not just any kind of slime. We're gonna make Easter bunny slime. Honestly, I've never made slime myself, but Kyrie is a pro at it. So I just went and got all of the stuff that we're gonna be needing for today, and she's pretty much gonna walk me and Allie through it. So for that, these are gonna be some of the stuff that we're gonna need. So Allie, do you wanna tell them what we're gonna need first?
Yeah.
What is this? Okay.
This is activator. Activator.
So what is the activator good for?
It's so it makes the slime. Makes the slime sticky, and it makes it like a rubber.
More like gooey, stretchy?
Yeah.
Okay, got it. We have some little bunny tails. We have just different colors right here.
And we also got some eyeballs so the bunnies could have eyes.
Those are gonna be they're googly eyes. So we're gonna use these little jars. And we've got some fuzzy sticks. And then you guys are gonna see for what we use this later. Assorted glitters, and this is just if you wanna add glitter or just to make it extra fun. We pre-cut some of like the bunny ears. We have like pink ones and yellow ones and just different colors. And also we wanna make our slime different colors. So for that, we're gonna be using some food coloring. And then lastly, you can't forget a glue gun, very important. This is pretty much the main thing we're gonna need in order to put all of this awesomeness together. Please stay tuned and let's make some slime, yay! All right, so where do we start?
So we start with getting one of these.
So one for each.
And then you also need your spoon next.
Okay, so we'll get a little scooper thing for you too. Kyrie, how much glue do we need?
Just enough to fill this up. So.
Okay. All right, so what's next? Activators. Okay, so once you have the activator, we're gonna go ahead and just kind of like mix it around.
And also you have to mix it until it's done sticking to the bowl.
Okay, so just mix until it doesn't stick to the container.
Yeah. Can you put a little bit more in mine?
Yes, ma'am.
A little bit more.
Okay, wow, you're doing a good job. Do you need a little bit more?
Mm-hmm.
Just a little bit. Okay. When do we add the food coloring?
Like right now.
Okay, so what color do you guys want?
I want blue.
Blue, okay.
I want purple.
Purple and blue.
How do you get this off?
Here, let me help.
This is purple.
That's purple? Mm-hmm. That looks like pink.
No, this is pink and I see there's purple in there. Oh.
I don't know if there's a purple in there. Oh, there is a purple. So you're just gonna open it and do a little tiny drop. You need my help?
Yeah.
Okay.
Can I do it?
Yeah, just do a little tiny drop in there. Okay, well that works too. So stir it around. Wow, that's really purple. I love how Kyrie's slime is like super perfect. Like the consistency of it is like on point. And I don't know what's wrong with mine or Allie's, but what do you think we need? Why is yours so like...
Well, it's because maybe you put like...
Do we put more activator or what do we need to do to fix it?
You need to put... Let me touch yours. Yeah, yours is perfect. Let me touch yours. Yeah, hers is perfect.
Oh, so we can get it out now?
You just need to mix it more with your hands.
Okay. We can just take it out of the container now and just kind of play with it till it gives it that perfect slimy texture.
Like that before.
Wow! It's so gooey! What do you guys think? Is it a good consistency? Can we put it in the jar?
Well, you might want to play with it because then if you put it in the jar, next time you play with it, it might be like a lost.
What are we gonna do next, Hallie?
Put it in, decorate the jars.
Decorate the jars just like Allie said. So for that, we are going to need our glue gun. And then I already did the fuzzy sticks. I just went ahead and cut them just like into little pieces like this. These are gonna be the whiskers for the bunny's face. Anyway, so now we're gonna go ahead and pick a color for the bunny's nose. So we're just gonna go ahead and put a little dot of the hot glue. So once that's done, we're gonna go ahead and just glue the little nose. Now we're gonna go ahead and add the googly eyes. Beautiful. Oh my goodness, look at these bunny jars. They're looking so good. So next we're gonna go ahead and add the bunny well, I guess we can do the whiskers. We'll go ahead and do the whiskers. Allie, what's next?
Add the ears.
The ears. So we're just gonna go ahead and put a little bit of glue there. And then you wanna go ahead and just glue them on just like that. And careful because the glue can get a little hot. All right.
Okay.
Here, let me help you. There. Next. Wow, aren't they so cute? Now we're gonna go ahead and add the little tail. The girls want to add some glitter to their slime, so we're just gonna go ahead and nap that as the last step, and then we should be completely done.
Mine is not sticky. Maybe it can't be sticky because it's pretty on our hands. Look at that.
Yay!
Now we're gonna put it in the shore.
Huh?
Put them in here.
All Alright, you want to grab your jar. So, this is going to be the finished product of our slime. Yay, we finished our slime. You like it?
Yeah.
Alright, so for the last part of this video, what are we going to do, girls?
We're gonna make some cupcakes and decorate them.
We're going to decorate some cupcakes. Yay! Alright, so which one do you want?
I want this one.
So let's all pick one. Purple. Alright, I'll do this one right here. So we're gonna use the whipped frosting, vanilla, and obviously you can pick any flavor or color you would like, but we're just gonna go with vanilla for today. So, Kyrie, you wanna go first?
Sure.
Alright. We're gonna go in with these candy eyes and candy bunny ears. So these are gonna be bunny cupcakes. Alright, so these are what those look like. Yay! I like yours, Allie and Kyrie's. They're so pretty. We did a really good job. You guys nailed it. Super fun for Easter. You guys can make them and put them in your baskets or for the kids' baskets. I hope you guys enjoyed this video.
I hope you subscribe, click that bell, and subscribe.
And we will see you guys in my next video. Bye!
Bye.
Mwah.